Transforming school and college grounds with artificial grass. Explore the beauty of our artificial grass installations designed specifically for educational institutions. Watch as we enhance play areas, sports fields, and recreational spaces, providing a lush, low-maintenance green solution. Create a vibrant and safe environment for students to enjoy outdoor activities all year round. Our high-quality artificial grass not only adds aesthetic appeal, but also ensures durability and longevity. Discover the seamless installation process that minimizes disruptions to your school or college routine. We take pride in delivering top-notch artificial grass solutions that bring beauty, functionality, and a touch of nature to educational spaces. Join us on this journey of transforming school and college grounds into vibrant, green spaces that inspire learning and play. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of artificial grass.